Hello friends, this is sbphptricks. Today we'll discuss how to create a simple transition in CSS. Before moving to the coding part, I want to show you one exact demo what actually transition means. So I have created one demo for you. So this is a text box. So I have put in some transition on this. Whenever I drag my mouse over this text box, some changes will occur here. So let's check what type of changes I have put in here. So as you see, the width of the text box is changed, the background color and the border radius. So how to do this type of transition in coding? So I'll use Dreamweaver. I'll create one HTML. I'll go to design and I'll insert a text field. So for this text field, the code is generated this one. So for this text field, I need to write down the CSS as we need to write down the CSS within head section. So style type text CSS, and I need, so this is the style tag. So within this style tag, I will write down the CSS. I will use ID for this coding. You can also use class. So as I am using ID, so I need to put hash. So the width I put in 200 pixels, and background color I'm putting this one, and we need to put the transitions. How to put the transition? So go to the CSS styles. So for this text field, I'll change the rule, edit rule, and go to the transition. So I am giving the duration 5 seconds, delay 1 second, and is in timing function. So apply and OK. This codings will generated here. Now I want to show this transitions whenever I put my mouse over the text field. So for that we need to write text field. You can copy this also, or like copy this one and paste it here and hover. On mouse over, I want to change the width of my text field. So I put in 300 pixels, and background color I want to change. So let's give this one. Then border radius you can change. So border radius to pixels. Okay, save this one. Tree.html. Now we need to run this one. Go to localhost demo and css3.html. So this is my text field. Whenever I put my mouse over here, it will change the width, then the background color and border radius. So border radius, and whenever I drag my mouse out, then it will again go to the normal position as you are. So this is how actually we do transition in CSS. I'll put the code in description so that you can try. Thank you. If you like my codes, if you like these topics, please like, share and comment on this channel. Thank you.